Hey, what's the matter, honey?
Overthinking might be brain dead. All these girls be hating, they all be messing in my head. Every time I hit her up, she acts like I was never there. Kinda sad, but I be wishing she was messing with my hair. All I think about is you, but I think all I need is food. She up your head and makes me mad. Sometimes, but I think she playing. Hate on the selfie I took for all my stupid looks. Told me I was stupid, now I'm all shook. I pulled my feelings out, she started laughing at me. Now I'm starting to pout, she trying to curve my life. Feeling bad, so I try to my feelings out. Your actions be stinging me, stop trying to steal my feelings. Exhausted, trying to get you off me, sorry. Starting me like I need some help, and if you should help, I hear you. You make me feel insane, gonna make me mad, I'm gonna go cry. Now you make me wanna die.